And so now we are in Russell Park, going to take the metro. Beautiful park, by the way, I must say.
Yeah.
Really beautiful. So we take the Piccadilly line to go to the King Cross for this fantastic, for this fantastic shop of Harry Potter. Because we have to buy. What do we have to buy?
Wands.
Wands. Yeah, a lot of magic, a lot of magic. So anyway, it's a beautiful day. We go.
We do steps.
So you are. I have a cameraman today. Camera woman. Camera woman. So now we are getting out of this beautiful park and down to the tube. Whoa! Look at that beautiful building. Kimpton, I think it's an hotel. I believe yes. Kimpton Hotel. Quite stunning. Beautiful. I really love it. I think you have to go down there. Yeah. Okay. Look at that hotel.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. Cheap probably. What do you think? I don't know.
Wine on tap.
Wine on tap. Okay. Russell Square Underground Station looks pretty fancy, classic from outside. The outside wall looks really, really cool. So, look at that. Let's see how it is inside. Let's see how it is inside. Piccadilly line. Let's go.
Stairs.
Stairs. Piccadilly line. 175 steps. Okay. So 175 steps.
You feel that? There's a bit of drop.
So that's quite a.
Oh, it would be hell to go up again.
So
We'll find there.
that's quite a classic.
If you have to come up here, it's hell.
Yeah.
It's a long way. In fact, that's why the first time I saw they put the amount of steps. In fact,
Yeah.
Wait, how many steps were there?
175. Did you count them?
I did count. And then we don't know. Piccadilly line?
We don't know what that
Let's
is.
go continue
Wait.
here.
To
Huh?
the trains. Yeah,
Yeah.
Piccadilly line. Yeah, here to the trains. To the trains.
Nice breeze.
Now it's warm. Okay.
Yeah, getting eastbound, King's Cross. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's more the steps to come down here than to walk to King Cross directly. I think. It's beautiful. These stations are really cool. Whoa.
More steps.
We go really deep down in the ground. So now we have to find this Harry Potter shop. We go on the outside or the inside?
I would say the outside.
Outside? Let's go outside. So this is King Cross Station, and the shop is called Platform 9.5, which of course means that do not exist really, because it's either 9 or 10. 9.5 it's somehow something magic. Let's see.
It's from Harry Potter.
Huh?
It's from Harry Potter.
From Harry Potter? Okay. Let's see now if it is. Do you realize that we came up to here only for your shop, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Will you remember that? When? Yeah? Okay. So, you know, when I will ask you a favor next time. Huh? I will tell you. You remember that day that we had to go to see? Well, nice place anyway. I mean, maybe it's a hidden place, sort of. I don't know. Let's keep going. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
It's inside.
It's inside?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. She said it's inside. Sorry. She said it's inside. She knows. I don't see it.
Security personnel tour this station 24 hours a day.
According to me, it's hidden somewhere. But from 9 to 10. She said she's inside. Somewhere. Maybe there, maybe there. Maybe there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a line.
Yeah. Oh god.
There is a line,
Yeah.
so. Okay. Not only we had to come here, up to here, but we also had to be in line, which is so pleasant. Mamma mia. Okay, let's go in line. Let's go in line. There we go.
Well, this is in line to make a photo.
Okay.
This is to make the photo.
To make the photo at, okay. At the platform 9 and, okay, 3/4. No, okay. No. I don't know. No, that's just for to make the picture. Because you can do, look how you can make.
do the picture.
That's cool. Okay. That's all. Okay, well. No, we go inside. We go inside. Okay. Let's see. We can. So, quite a shop.
Yeah, I think it
Oh, yeah.
continues also on.
Yeah. If she doesn't find a t-shirt here, I really, or a sweater. Ooh. All the ones. Look at this t-shirt, please, first.
No, but I want it from the houses.
The houses, oh, they have them also. You want to look at the ones?
There is even there ones, I think, everywhere. So let's go walk around
But
first.
here's the
Maybe das ist halt, baby.
Freeze.
this is
Freeze.
Ja, vind ik heel leuk.
Een tasje flush.